Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty. And I'm doing a collab with Milli, who's also vegan and cruelty-free. And she lives in the UK, and she had posted on Instagram asking if a US creator wanted to do a collab video with her where the US creator, which is me, would buy her cruelty-free and vegan drugstore products from that are from US made brands, and then she would do the same thing with UK brands. So we agreed on $50, or I think 50 euros or pounds for her. I just sent my package to her. This is like gonna be probably like a week or so after. Whenever she receives hers, I will post we'll post our videos at the same time. And I also already filmed a get ready with me using the products that she sent me, and she also sent me some treats that I'll show now. But I wanted to do this video first showing all of the products that she sent me, because she sent me a lot and now I've tried everything. We'll do probably another video of like speed reviews, what my thoughts are when I play a little bit more with all these products, but I have used everything. I've been playing with them this week. So let's get into this. So first item is from Made by Mitchell, which is now at Ulta and on TikTok shop. But this is the eyeliner. This is a graph ink eyeliner in Milk. It's a white eyeliner, very, very white. And then she sent me this is from 17. I think it's just 17, but it has like a period next to it. This is the Ink Legend Tattoo Eyeliner, and it is very black. These are both like, I guess you call them like the well, but they're a brush, not a felt tip. And this is very, very, very black. And it is a little difficult to get off, but it lasts all day. It doesn't transfer, you know, all the things. And then we have I'm just pulling from a box. This is from Troublemaker. This is a Evil Twin Brow Gel in the shade Medium Brown. And I'll show you the wand. Yeah. I got 2 of the Technic Euphoria Gel Eyeliner Pencils in the shades green and purple. Very simple. They're metallic. I've been wearing these. I'm not wearing them today, but all week, and they have lasted really, really well in my waterline, and I'm very, very impressed, because a lot of eyeliners do not last on me. So I wish these were available in the States. And then 2 lip liners from MUA Makeup Academy. I feel like I've seen this brand at CVS, but maybe I'm wrong. And these are the Intense Color Lip Liners in the shades Heroic and in the shade Sincere. And then I got this eyeshadow stick from 17. This is the Eye Pigment Quick Stick in the shade, and everyone's home now, in the shade Mauve. I'll show you that right now. So this really, I'll show you. Like, I don't even know how to describe that. I don't even know if I would consider it a mauve. Like, God, all the noises. And my husband's home and one of my daughters is home. And then she sent me this Troublemaker Love Note eyeshadow palette in the shade, I think this, I don't know, the option was Love Note. And I have been loving this. A lot of my looks this week, even today, I'm wearing the shade Always in my inner corner, but I'm using this all week. It is a little powdery, but it's very pigmented. And then also the other eyeshadow palette that she sent me from Beauty Bay, which I know this is a UK brand, but you can get it on the Beauty Bay website. This is the Rich 9-color palette. My mom was like, you could use this as like a blush palette too, which would be really pretty. And I'm wearing this today. Really, really nice, rich, very full. So I got 2 brow pens, one from MUA Makeup Academy, the Brow Define Precision Liquid Eyebrow Pen in the shade, where's the shade? Medium Brown, which is only on, at least what I can see, on like the sticker here. I'll show you. It looks almost like it is a brush tip, but It's on the top right there. And then it's just a thicker, I don't know, I compare it to the next one. And then this is from Technic, the Featherweight Brow Pen in the shade Dark Brown. And it's in the middle there, but let me show you, I'll compare to the tips. I've been using this one more this week, and I'm not wearing it today, but I'm wearing other products today that I got in here that she sent me. And then not wearing this mascara today, but I have used it a couple times now. This is from MUA Makeup Academy. This is the Intense Color Super Pigment Mascara, and this is a blue mascara, and it has an interesting wand as well, but as you can see, it's blue, but it's like double-sided, but very thin, and it's not as difficult as I thought to apply, and I've really been enjoying it. It's been fun to use like a colored mascara. And then this is from MUA Makeup Academy. This is their Pro Base Double Shot Under Eye Brightener in the shade Light. It has caffeine, vitamin C, E, and hyaluronic acid. And I'm wearing that today with the Make Beauty Concealer, and I'm not wearing any foundation today. Or, no. So there it is, and I've been enjoying that. And there's the doe foot. 4 blushes. This is from Beauty Bay. This is the liquid blush, simple, in the shade Blooming. And I have pictures of all of the blushes. I thought this was kind of an interesting doe foot as well. And it's pretty large and in charge. And she likes glowy blushes, which I do too. And then this is what I'm wearing today, actually. This is the Collection Blush. This is the Collection. This is just blush. Add a pop of color to your cheeks with this highly pigmented blendable blusher in the shade Cherry 7. I'm wearing highlighter, but I have that on my cheeks. And then from Troublemaker, this is the Bouncy Blush in the shade Bounce Hot Pink, which at first I was like, woo! But I've really been liking this too. It's very pretty. And then the Technic Blush Glowy Blusher Stick in the shade Peach Syrup. The Studio London by Superdrug Flaunt Flawless Bronzing Stick, 12-hour wear in the shade Suede. And then another bronzer. This is the MUA Makeup Academy Beauty Balm in the shade Caramel Bronze. It's a cheek, lip, and eye multi-balm. It's like this, I don't know if it's marble, but it's like a domed, it doesn't look shimmery, it's glowy. It does smell kind of like, I don't know, like a caramel coffee sort of. I don't know, it smells good. From 17, the Ultimate Look Finishing Powder in the shade 010. And this is made in Italy. It says Austria. I don't know. It's got it. I was surprised. Some of these products are made in Italy, Poland, UK, Ireland, which are in the UK. This is or made in China, but like sold in the UK or manufactured. I don't know, distributed in the UK, whatever. This is it's a high coverage powder for a flawless complexion, complemented by vitamin E, sweet almond oil to make your skin feel soft and silky. And also their ingredient lists are very simple, but I don't know if you can see that. It's basically like my skin tone, but feels very smooth, and I'm wearing that under my eyes this week. Then we have from Studio London by Superdrug. This is their Power Pout 12-hour velvet long wear color. I wore this today, but I'm not wearing this today. I'm wearing something else. But this pretty nude. And then I'm really liking that as well. And then another lippy. This is from Beauty Bay. This is their lip balm in the shade Cherry, and it stains your lips. At first I was like, woo, but it stains the lips. It feels so nice. Not red. I'll swatch it actually. It smells good too. It's right there. So, and then, Millie said these are being reformulated or repackaged because I could not find them on the site, and I was like, if I run out of them, it'd be so sad. And then she sent me the Collection Filter Finish Complexion Boosting Primer and Illuminator in the shade Fair 1. It's like the e.l.f., basically like the e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter, or like the Charlotte Tilbury Hollow Wood filter, but this one has, I think, better packaging, in my opinion. And I'll show you it compared to the e.l.f. one. And I have tried the Charlotte Tilbury one right now. I don't have that at the moment. I've only had a mini of that because it's expensive. But this one always gets super messy and cracked. And that one doesn't, I don't know. This one, the cap's a little bit bigger, but I also like that the words are in, I mean, it looks like it's gonna wear off, but in purple rather than white. But you do this, let's actually swatch the shades, but I don't know, this just feels like better quality. And I'm mad at e.l.f. right now too. I have the e.l.f. one in the shade 1. Okay, so the Collection one is a little, or the e.l.f. one is a little darker. So this is the e.l.f. one, this is the Collection one, and then using different fingers. Pretty similar, but the Collection one might be, they feel the same too. The Collection one might be a little more glowy than the e.l.f. one. I'm wearing that, am I wearing that today? I don't know, I'm glowy because it's hot outside. I'm making sure it's all of the products. Yeah, that is all of the products that she sent me, which is a lot. And the candy and the biscuit and the bourbon biscuits, so good. If you've ever had Kit cookies, which we're both actually vegan, like we buy a vegan product, but we're both vegan. So, and I really like how everything is labeled. It's just so simplified. But yeah, stay tuned for my get ready video using most of these products. And also I do daily shorts, TikToks, and reels. And I will now be linking, I'm going to try to link these products, even though it's difficult to get unless you're in the UK. I mean, there's ways, but it's expensive. So yeah, stay tuned for my get ready with me video showing these products and other vegan cruelty-free videos. And also I will link Milli's channel down below and her video showing what I got her and her get ready with me, which I'm assuming she does. She's going to post, because I'm assuming she's going to do a get ready with me, because that's what she mostly posts, is like get ready with me, trying new products. And it's awesome to find another vegan and cruelty-free content creator. So yeah, I hope to see you in the next video.